It is not great for travel, but all this snow is creating some stunning scenes across the state.
Meteorologist Joseph Dames is here with some of the great pictures that you've been sharing with us. Some people having some good fun out there.
Well, Amelia and Jeff, we had 12 inches of snowfall, and that's plenty to work with when you want to play out in the snow or you want to capture it on your phone. And Minnesotans didn't hesitate to share some of those photos with us. Let's go ooh and ah a couple of those together. We set the scene with this snowy paradise in St. Paul next to the Mississippi River. Diane sent us this beauty. Trees white with snow. And not much beats a good old-fashioned Polaroid of a snowy scene that Sean captured over in Forest Lake. And Kate shows us a tunnel of snow-covered branches that definitely says winter still has plenty of time as we look down that long snow-covered hallway. And over in South Minneapolis, Donald shared this frosted white seen through the snowy tendrils to a cozy winter house. This is the type of snow that clings to everything, even pets. Lynn's dog here is saying 1,000 different things with that look. And now a barrage of snow photos from all over that you sent to us today. All right, so if you shared your photos, thank you so much for sending them in. Right now, I'm at the PV Plaza. There's still mounds of snowfall here. The trees are starting to give up some of that snow, but you can still share your photos. Go ahead and do that. We're going to show more coming up at 5 p.m. All you have to do is head over to WCCO.com/photos and hit submit. So go ahead and do that. We'll show some more coming up at 5.
All right. Thank you, Joseph.